I'm gonna start this cut over. This is Carl Thomas. This is his emotional album. I do not own the rights to this music. I do not own the rights to this music. So this is Carl Thomas. Emotional. I haven't listened to this in a couple years now. I had the pleasure of seeing him perform in Pittsburgh, in my hometown, on the river, on the water. Me and my sister Cynthia, we got to see him. It was the most fabulous thing ever because it was right on the water. The wind was blowing. You couldn't tell us we were in Jamaica. Oh man, it was beautiful. This tune right here, Special Lady. I do not own the rights to this music. Please, Instagram, stop hating. We can get on here. This will bring more people to Instagram. Stop playing. Work it out with the artists. Come on now. Yes. The words to the R&B music. I'm so grateful to God I know real R&B music. Hey nephews. Listen to some R&B this morning. Some real R&B. Watching the ocean, baby. Listen to some Carl Thomas. How y'all doing in Miami? Y'all still in Miami? Tell my children I love them. Instagram, I do not own the rights to this music. Please don't cut me off. This is Carl Thomas from his emotional album. The song is Special Lady. You were down by me where? In Jamaica? I know you weren't in Jamaica. Sunday night. I appreciate you, Carl Thomas. Hopefully you get a chance to see this live. I love you for your music. Got to see, I'm sure, one of your best performances when you were just all up and through yourself. Bad boy for life. Can't stop, won't stop. Okay? I was following Diddy when he was going to get the cheesecake. What's that R&B love at? Now I'm playing these songs from YouTube. Come on now, where that love at? And if you're listening to the R&B, please delete me, unfollow me, do not like, never subscribe, okay? Don't tell any friends. R&B, 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 R&B. This cut right here is called Lady, Lady, Lady. Wait, I'm like, Lady, lay your body. I do not own the rights to this music. This is Carl Thomas. Lady, lay your body. I try to talk through it because I think that's what helps. When we talk over top of stuff, you can't really get the gist of it all. Like, you can't sell it and be talking on top of it. I think that's how they look at it. I don't know. Again, I do not own the rights to this music. This is Carl Thomas. Lady, lay your body. Let me get this. Ocean. Let me see. There you go. By the blessings of the Father, I am here listening to Carl Thomas in Jamaica. I've always wanted to see him here in Jamaica. He comes into, I think it's a soul festival or something. I think that's what it is. And it's in the grill. I believe it's in the grill. So grateful to God. Amazing. And I pull it in a little closer. Oh, I can, just a little bit. Hear the beautiful waves. Yes. I'll be stateside in a couple of weeks. In and out, you hear me? It's really going to be a towel rack. It's not Jamaican. I made myself a rug like 7 years. It's about 6 years old. Time to get that thing to rest. So wait till y'all see this one. Take it out all the way around. I do not own the rights to this music, Instagram. I do not. This is Carl Thomas off his emotional album, Lady, Lay Your Body. All right. Have a blessed day, y'all. Won't he do? It's already done.